Chapter 1. Food. Where does it come from? What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Food variety. Activity 1. Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. Table 1.1. What do we eat? Name of the student. Tanu. Food items eaten in a day. Fish fry. Name of the student. Sanj. Food item eaten in a day. Egg. Different food items. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat, as per figure 1.1. What are these food items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and others at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Table 1.2. Food items and their ingredients. Food item roti or chapati. Ingredients to prepare roti or chapati are atta, water. Food item dal. Ingredients pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. What do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? Discuss in class. Where do these ingredients come from? Food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice and wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which give us these grains. And then there are food items like milk, eggs, and meat, which come from animals. Activity 3. Let's take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients and their sources. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. Some examples are shown in table 1.3, that is ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Food item idli. Ingredients rice, urad dal, salt, water. Source of rice plant. Chicken curry food item. Ingredients chicken, spices, oil, ghee, water. Chicken is so ingredients source is animal. Oil or ghee source come from plants or animals products. Kheer, milk, rice, sugar. Animal, plant. What do what do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are the sources of food ingredients, grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products and eggs. Cows, goats, buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food, which parts of a plant. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers. Have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Some plants have two or more edible pods. Seeds of mustard give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of the banana plant that are used as food? Think of more examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. Plant parts as food. Food item with plant as the major source. Brinjal curry. Ingredients are source brinjal, chili as spice, oil from nut, mustard, soybean, any other plant. Plant part which gives the ingredient. Fruit, seed. Parts of the plant. Flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud, node, internode. These are shoot system. Now parts of the root system of the plant. Primary root, secondary root. Activity 4. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant parts as shown in table 1.4. Activity 5. Take dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seeds? Whole moong and its sprouts. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water, and leave them aside for another day. Chana gram and its sprouts. Covered with a wet cloth, the next day see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar. Nectar means it's a sweet juices from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, a goat? You will then surely be aware of the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? Activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5. Some of them, the type of food they eat is also given. Fill in the blanks in the table. Animals and their food. Name of the animal buffalo. Food the animal eats grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Cat. Small animals, birds, milk. Rat, grains, insects. Lion, deer. Tiger, deer. Spider, insects. House lizard, insects. Cow, grass. Human being, food or rice. Butterfly, insects. Crow, meat, others. Activity 7. Have a look again at table 1.5 and group the animals entered here as follows. Place animals which eat only plants or plant products in group 1. These are called herbivores. There are some animals which eat other animals. Place these in group 2. These animals are called carnivores. Do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? Place them in group 3. These are called omnivores. Prepare a table as in table 1.6 and enter these separately in the three columns as shown. Table 1.6 Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivore cow, carnivore, lion, omnivores, dog. Many other herbivores, cow, deer, sheep, goat, buffalo. Carnivores, cheetah, tiger, wolf, snake. Omnivore, man, crow, rat, cat. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. Will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. Summary. There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. The main source of food are plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are herbivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called